Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save a query in BigQuery. All right, so first up, just go ahead and open up your project right here at the top left. Now go ahead and click on this node. All right. Now go ahead and open up a table from a data set. For example, imported data. Okay, I'm going to go ahead over to query, click on it to open it up. Now go ahead and enter your desired query. All right, for example, this one. Run it. If you want to save this query, as you can see here, we have this save button at the top. Click on save and save query. Name of the query, for example, all data query, just like that. Region, select your region. For example, North America, Northeast Montreal. I'm going to hit on save. Wait for it to process. And once done, as you can see here in the left panel, we have the query section. And under that, we have the saved query. All right. You can go ahead and click on it to open it up in a new tab maybe, or split tab. All right. For example, I'm going to close this one, open it up right here, like so. Just wait for it. And here you have your saved query. Okay. For example, I'm going to use this code just to open up a public data set. I'm going to hit on run. Then I can go ahead and save a query right here. Save. It says here query updated. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.